Hey everyone, welcome. So another depressing day in the market today, but to be honest, it's not so bad. I didn't have a bad day. I didn't trade much either, but I made one trade that was good. The point of this is that no matter what is going on in the markets, if you have the time, because not everybody has the time, I understand that people have to work and they have families and they have kids or other things that they need to do. So, but if you have the time and you actually read a lot, come up, you'll come across something that might be an opportunity. You can check out the stock, you can check out the financials, fundamentals, and so on, and you might actually come up with a good trade, no matter what the market conditions are. Right? I'll show you something like that, and I'll also talk to you in this video about a company that I think, personally speaking for me, that I think is a really good company, a very solid company. And this whole debt ceiling drama at some point has to end. The Fed rate hikes, we already know about it, and they've been going on for over 10 months, 14 months, and that has not stopped a lot of stocks from going higher, right? So if the debt ceiling drama can just go away, we'll be fine, in my opinion, right? Before the debt ceiling drama, for example, you could have invested, let's say, in I don't know, Rocket Lab at 370 or 360 when I mention it in my Discord, you'd be up. So there's better actually there's better examples than that, but yeah. So let's get started. All right, guys. First, one opportunity that we might look forward to, and I'm not saying you should, and it's actually a pretty crazy, dumb opportunity to be honest, but I think it will work out for those who know how to day trade. And day trading is dangerous, to be honest. But Troika Media has been a stock that's been a favorite for day traders. It's been a meme stock. It's been popping and so on. Not the greatest company. Everybody talks about, oh, great revenue. Fine, I get it. Revenue has been increasing, but there's a reason why it's so low, and there's a reason why it's doing a reverse stock split. It has a lot of debt and so on. But TRKA is the ticker symbol, and like I said, if you know it, you know it has popped quite a few times in the past. They're actually doing as I mentioned here in my Discord, they declared a 1:25 ratio for previously announced reverse stock split. So once the stock split is finished and over with, after that, there will be an opportunity, in my opinion, for the stock to pop at some point because the float will be much lower, right? I would not suggest. I highly suggest that people stay out of it until the reverse stock split is over, and then after that, you'll have to make up a decision for yourself. But obviously, you don't get in right away and so on. You have to see. That's something I'll follow, and I'll let people know in my Discord. Now, with that being said, the debt ceiling drama is almost over, guys. It's almost over. As Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell said, he told reporters that he hopes the Senate will finish voting on the debt ceiling deal Thursday or Friday after it receives the bill from the House, right? So let's get this over with. Now, Integral Ad Scicence Holding Corp is the stock I want to talk about in this video, ticker symbol IAS. I like it a lot. And as you can see, it has started to turn around, right? This was actually September of 2022, last year. And since then, from September 2022, going into now, you can see that it's just been going up higher, right? And through that time, there's been Fed rate hikes, but it didn't stop the stock. Like I said, the debt ceiling drama, in my opinion, is the worst case here that we got. The Fed rate hikes. If you have great stocks, you can deal with it. But so could we have picked up Integral Ad Scicence at this low here in September? Could have made a video back then. Yeah, of course, but I can't catch all the bottoms all the time. I did catch one bottom today, and that was ticker symbol CD. And now it says 1:28 p.m. here today at 1:28 p.m. That's Greek time because I'm in Greece. So if you go back 8 hours from 1:28 p.m., you're going to literally go into the earliest possible pre-market. And I said that during the early pre-market, I said the CD, if CD was a U.S. company, it would be trading at $15 by now. But because it's Chinese, it's very hard for this stock to move. not in a prejudice or anything like that way, but meaning Chinese stock that, traders, investors don't have a lot of trust in Chinese stocks for now because of the unknown regulations that might pop.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
But anyhow, I said that it's at 513 now in pre-market, but should, in my opinion, be over $6 today. And it went. Last time I checked, it went from 513 to $5.70 in regular hours. So that's awesome. It's on its way. All right, so that was a good one. But let's go back to Integral Ad Scicence Holding Corp. And this is a stock that I believe has a really bright future ahead. But of course, this is just my opinion. So Integral Ad Scicence reported its Q1 2023 financial results back in May 4th, 2023. Those were good results. The firm helps organizations to monitor and optimize their internet marketing strategies through a range of technologies. This is a company that's based in New York City, and it was founded to develop a cloud-based platform for independent measurement and verification of digital advertising across various devices. The company is headed by CEO Lisa Schneider, if I pronounce right, I probably killed it, who has been with the company since 2019. This company offers products such as viewability, ad fraud, brand safety and suitability, and contextual targeting. Their enterprise value is at 7.0, enterprise value to EBITDA is at 38.0, price to sell 6.7, revenue growth rate at 23% positive, net income margin at positive 4.1%, EBITDA percentage 18.4%, net debt to annual EBITDA is at 1.5, market cap at 2.8 billion, enterprise value 2.9 billion, the operating cash flow positive 84.2 million, and their earnings per share is positive 10. In their last earnings, like I said, was on May 4th, the company highlighted their huge partnership with TikTok. And that's going to ramp up during the next quarters. And the partnership with also Samsung and Samsung's connected devices. So they're really moving forward with amazing partnerships, amazing deals. And so that's exciting about where this stock may be headed. The company is expanding to over 30 markets after the quarter's end and well ahead of their prior expectation of an additional 20 markets. So they had an expectation of 20 markets, but they're actually moving to 30 markets by the end of this year. Also, this company is continuing to expand its offering with major social media sites such as Meta, Facebook, and Twitter. If we look at the company's financial during the past 4 years, revenue has been stunning. It went from 213 million in 2019 to 240, 323 in 2021 to $408 million in 2022. So revenue growth has been really good. Gross profit has also been increasing on a very healthy way. And if we look at the long-term, total liabilities, it's at 360 million, which has been a good decrease since way back 3 years ago when it was $415 million. The analysts are giving this a buy rating. They give it a low of 15, an average of 16.25, and a high of $19. So the company's financial position is strong with lots of liquidity, some long-term debt, but nothing, it's fine so far. It's not the greatest, but it's not the worst either. It has impressive free cash flow, right? Positive $84 million. Low capital expenditures. Its net debt to EBITDA multiple is reasonable at 1.5 times. So, and the analysts, they're cautious, giving a $19, let's say, high. an average of 16.25 and so on, due to the market conditions right now. But I think, like I said, my opinion, that if we can get over the debt ceiling as soon as possible, Integral Ad Scicence, in my opinion, would be fine. Now, would I buy it at $18.83, right? Would I buy it? No, I would not. I am going to try and become greedy, and I'm going to hope that maybe somehow, I don't know, I'm hoping I can get this at 16 US dollars. So $2 down, let's say, per share. If it can go down, another $2 per share, I'll be really happy. We'll see. I'll wait, so I'll have patience. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Oh well. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best. Take care.